Aquaponic farming the simple way. Planting the seeds in your aquaponic garden is a lot easier than putting them in the bottom. You just need to hook them up to a netting, and pot, that is it. Then you have to await them to start out vegetating and grow. However, there's one little aspect you need to know before placing the seeds, which is the perfect moment once the seeds ought to be planted. Many people choose the fish, place them in the tank, and in exactly the same day in addition they place the seeds in the pots. That is undoubtedly the worst method of approaching aquaponics, because the seeds, though will grow and develop up to certain point, even, they'll die in just a matter of days once they finish their very own supplies, if you can find no nutrients in the water which they are able to feed. Thus, an ideal moment to put the seeds in the pots is once the fish excrements have converted into nutrients. The procedure through which it is possible to obtain nutrients for the plants is fairly simple. After the fish is placed by you into the tanks, they'll start freeing excrements into the water. As the excrements contain ammonia, they're toxic for the fish highly. However, usually do not be worried about that, as this pressing issue is solved naturally itself. You can find bacteria which transform the ammonia into nitrites and into nitrates then. To ensure that your plants to cultivate you will need nitrates, so after the procedure for transforming and decomposing ammonia has ended, the water shall be ready to support the plant seeds. The complete process may take up to a few months, amount of time in which you shouldn't place any kind of seeds in the pots because they shall certainly die. Additionally, there are ways to increase the procedure by inserting nitrates into the water prior to the fish excrements can transform. However, lots of people don't like to interfere in nature's way. However, regardless of what way you select, it is suggested to monitor the quantity of ammonia, nitrates and nitrites from the water, to be able to always know the grade of your water for both your fish as well as your vegetables. Planting the seeds at the proper time is vital if you would like good crops and healthy fish, so monitor the standard of your water permanently, before and after planting. It's the only way by which it is possible to obtain good crops. Learn how to make your own aquaponics system, step by step, by visiting our website. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching our video.